Okay, this is Master and Teach Virgo checking in. And if you've seen my previous video about the tablet for $10, I did receive it. So here it is. Let's check it out. $10. Let's see what we're working with. Through EBB, electronic broadband broadcasting, something like that. This is what it looks like. We got this. Inside of there, there's a tablet in here. Okay, here's this, which is kind of strange. It says, you must complete. I'm in the garage, just in case you're wondering. You must complete a call, text, or use data immediately after receiving this device to maintain service. That's kind of skeptical since it's a tablet, but who knows? This costed me $10. I paid $10 for this. Here is the tablet. Let's look at the tablet. Shoot, for $10, I'm just happy I actually got a box with something in it. You know what I'm saying? What happened? Oh, the light went off. All right. Okay. So that's the front. This is the rest of the box, and this is the back. It looks pretty legit to me, right? It also came with a cord, which I didn't notice at first when I was looking because it was tucked. Came with that, and it came with this. It comes with that. It came with this, almost like it's a phone. I don't know. Keep your phone number and all that. Seems like they acting like this is a phone, but I don't know because I'm not really used to that. California Lifeline. Now, I don't know what. Now that right there. I'm not in California, so I don't know what that's about. But if y'all are in California, I want you to know they down here selling these for $10. So I don't know what happened out there in California. Somebody grabbed a big old truck or something. But I signed up for this. Okay, so it wasn't me. It came with all this. This is like a SIM card, and then that or whatever. Also, this is the back of the box. So, as far as was it a scam? It may have been a scam. I haven't had a chance to really figure out yet if this is really working or not. Oh, let me just let you see what's going on with this. All right, so Play Store. It does have 4G at the top. I don't know how it's getting 4G. They said it was supposedly coming with a year of internet service. So that's Google. I'm not signing in there. I'm not going to do that. I mean, that's the Play Store. Google Go. Let's try use without account. Done. You know what I want to check out, right? Master Master. And I'm real stiff with this because I'm not used to this tablet yet. Master and teach. Virgo. Let's see what comes up. Let's see what comes up. It's your boy. Hey. For $10, I say it's a go. It's a go. Yeah. It's a go, boy. It's a go. So far as it being a scam, I would say it's not a scam. As far as getting the actual device and having internet service, that's not a scam. Now, whether they use my information for some miscellaneous stuff, now, I don't know about that part. But this is MTV checking in and checking out once again. Peace. Gone.